Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. It is a myth that horses see humans as larger than themselves. However, horses' eyeballs have oversized retinas which magnify everything a horse sees. For a horse, up close objects look 50% larger than they appear to humans. Kids from the Netherlands in 1904. Congo is almost exclusively the home of the okapi, a rare zebra-like animal. Dinosaur tracks in Texas from 113 million years ago uncovered due to severe drought. Haryana's buffalo and mole worth 23 crore, weighs 1500 kg and has 150 offsprings. A giant 9-foot tall kangaroo spotted in Australia. A flamingo couple feeding its young. Koli Hills Road in Tamil Nadu is considered one of the most dangerous roads in India with more than 70 turns. New analysis suggests potential for life on Uranus moons. Chin-strap penguins sleep up to 10,000 times a day, yes, 10,000, with each nap lasting about 4 seconds. NASA's Curiosity rover wheel after 12 years on Mars. The past tense of the English word dare is dust. Bromelain in pineapples may reduce the inflammation, swelling, and discomfort that occurs after surgery. Its anti-inflammatory properties may also aid recovery after strenuous exercise. November 30 is Stay Home Because You Are Well Day. The holiday was created to encourage everyone to call in well instead of faking illness and just take a moment to slow down and enjoy life. A tank ship designed for transporting liquefied natural gas. A photographer is approached by a baby deer and baby wolf while out in the field. A group of 12 or more cows is called a flink. You can't trademark your surnames. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs was the first full-length animated film released by Disney Studios in 1937. Sigiriya, 1500-year-old rock fortress in Sri Lanka. The spot on the 7-Up logo comes from its inventor who had red eyes. He was an albino. It took 36 years to make this accurate model of ancient Rome. Ornithologist George spent years acting as a mate to a female whooping crane named Tex, engaging in behaviors like dancing and nest building, leading to the successful hatching of a chick and advancing conservation efforts. This never seen before aerial shot of Burj Khalifa. Doctors in the old days used leeches to remove people's blood. Today, doctors still use leeches in some surgical procedures as they produce chemicals that kill pain and keep blood flowing without clotting. Want to read faster? Chew gum. This can double or even triple your reading speed because it distracts the brain signals from your eyes, ears, and mouth by giving them something to focus on. The placenta uses the same biological tricks as a parasitic worm to hide from the mother's immune system. Without it, the mother's body would reject the baby as an intrude. In 2015, data scientists created the perfect road trip. It includes 50 major landmarks, historic sites, parks, and national monuments. This is what an Italian restaurant built into an oceanside grotto looks like. Feeling angry on social media sites? Stop engaging with negative content. These sites have advanced algorithms designed to keep feeding you the same angry content. Instead, make a point to like, subscribe, and comment on content that makes you happy. Xenographic transplants involve taking an organ from an animal and using it in a human being. A chimpanzee heart was transplanted into a man in Mississippi, USA in 1964, but the patient died 2 hours later. If you don't have enough water, eventually your lips shrivel and go black, your tongue swells so that it won't fit in your mouth, and you can go nearly deaf and blind. And if you cut yourself, you don't bleed, so make sure you drink up water. It is the cutest way to show someone you care without any big gestures. What is pebbling? Pebbling is all about sharing small, thoughtful tokens or gestures that show someone you're thinking of them, whether it's tagging a friend in a relatable meme, sending a funny reel, or sharing a cute quote that reminds of them. India has 200 billionaires, third most worldwide. Forbes Billionaires 2024. They are worth a collective $954 billion, an over 40% jump from $675 billion last year. Throw your Samsung if you don't know these 5 secret codes. Dial and delete all junk files from phone. It will make it slightly faster. Dial this and activate general test mode where you can test everything on phone. Refresh your Wi-Fi version that will improve its speed and network. Dial and see the original date of use of your phone. Second-hand phone users should always check with this code. Hides your caller ID for special call. Thanks for watching.